Boxing workouts became increasingly popular in the last couple of years amongst those looking to build endurance, lose weight, and improve self-defense skills. Boxing also brings about other benefits including problem-solving skills, improved hand-eye coordination, and overall health benefits. In this video we will talk about some of the most common benefits of boxing, and what will happen to your body when you start boxing every day. Number 1. Weight loss. If you box every day, you are very likely to lose weight, as boxing is considered as a high-intensity workout, meaning that your heart rate speeds up rapidly as you're boxing and burning those calories simultaneously. This type of exercise happens when you throw punches into the air, shadow boxing, or punch a punching bag. This is a cardiovascular workout. It can be included in your warm-up routine prior to your workout and/or performed on its own as a strength exercise. Number 2. Strengthened upper body. Your muscles become stronger as you do a boxing workout every day, and your overall endurance improves. This happens because boxing is considered as a full-body workout exercise. With every punch you throw, you activate your core muscles in your upper body and the muscles in the upper legs, to name a few. This leads to a toned body over time. Number 3. Improves hand-eye coordination. The hand-eye movement in boxing brings about a good coordination in those regions over time, and not only that, you reduce the likelihood of developing Parkinson's disease in your latter years. Parkinson's disease can be defined as a neurodegenerative disease wherein your body loses the motor coordination in your hands and overall coordination in the body, causing a higher risks of falls. For those already suffering with Parkinson's diseases, boxing exercise may ease the symptoms of coordination, and this will reduce the risks of injuries by 87%, according to a study published in BMC Neurology in 2021. Number 4. Improves psychological health. According to a study published in the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine in 2022, the psychological benefits of a boxing workout including improved self-esteem, boosted mood, and reduction of general stress, and even some mental health conditions. It is considered a stress reliever type of workout, helping to align your thoughts and feelings after encountering stress within your environment. Number 5. Improve cardiovascular health. According to a 12-week study on boxing workouts, where those with obesity either engaged in 12 weeks of boxing training or walking, the findings show that those that engaged in boxing workouts for 12 weeks had a significantly reduced systolic blood pressure compared to those that done walking. Reduced systolic blood pressure reduced the risk of heart conditions such as the coronary artery disease. Therefore, this type of workout would not only help you lose weight, gain strength and coordination, but also reduce your risks of heart disorders. And this is it for the benefits of boxing exercises. If you enjoyed watching this video, click like and subscribe to my channel for similar content.